I'm Paul LaSavio, the America's Marketing Manager with Vero Software. I'm based in our Tuscaloosa, Alabama office. Some of the most important trends happening in the woodworking industry that we see are increasing automation, and not just the machinery automation, but along the whole production line, whether it's some of the robotics that are doing the loading and unloading of material onto those machines. As those machines are becoming more and more complex, they're able to really streamline production along the entire production line, not just the machining aspect of it. Some of the other trends that we're seeing are that businesses now are wanting to know more and more about all their parts of the business, to understand where their bottlenecks are, to understand where their profit centers are, and to have not just more data about their business, but also the tools to analyze that data so that they have more information to make decisions to improve their businesses down the line. Some of the challenges that our customers see in terms of bottlenecks is not understanding where things are in the process and not connecting all the different parts of their businesses. So a lot of the operations will be in silos, whereas the more and more that our customers are able to connect those dots and to understand the flow of not just information but parts and materials through their business, the better they're able to see an entire picture and to know where they need to improve. Some of the things that we're doing to help our customers to meet those needs is not just to be able to develop technologies that we need to develop our software to make sure that we're able to drive the machinery that's becoming more and more complex, or these new types of machineries, but also to develop products that allow our customers to get more data and information about their business, whether it's ERP solutions that we're implementing with our customers so that they understand how their labor is affecting their profits, how their materials are affecting their profits, but also to add more technologies into the flow, so integrate different types of technologies into the process. So whether it's laser measurement to reduce the time it takes to measure a job and to make sure that information is flowing into their CAD packages, or to make sure that we can run the machinery that's doing the material handling, the loading and offloading, but just connecting all the different points of the business so that our customers can see the whole picture of their business and not just have everything in silos. What we're seeing in terms of where the industry is going to be in 5 years and 10 years, I think there's a consumer demand to have better quality products delivered quicker. That puts a lot of pressure on wood manufacturers, and they're going to need to continue to be able to automate their processes so that they can produce higher quality, more consistent parts, more consistent products, and do it in a fraction of the time they're doing now. So that's really the trends in terms of just being able to consistently deliver quality products and do it in far less time. I think a big challenge for all manufacturing in this industry is to be able to find qualified people that have that skill set to work in the industry. But I think as we move into more and more automated technologies, we're not losing jobs in wood manufacturing, we're actually shifting those jobs to be able to have your highest skilled and highest quality people now working in the front office and working with the technology, as opposed to being in the manual labor department. So technologies like machinery and those things are replacing those jobs, but the jobs they're shifting into a different type of job. So I think it's important for suppliers like us to be able to continue to invest in education, to continue to promote the industry to trade schools, to high schools that are teaching these programs, so that we can continue to have a steady flow of a skilled labor force, but in a shifting economy as well, to where those jobs are more and more technology based and not so much labor based. I'm Paul LaSavio with Vero Software, and you're watching Woodworking Network's FDMC Executive Outlook Series.